Yogena Chittasya Padena Vacha.
Have you been learning and practicing the Patanjali Yoga Sutras for the last couple of weeks at the Kavalyadam Institute with Dr. Rajani Pradhan?
First chapter is done with. The experience is superb. It's excellent.
I have been attending the Patanjali Yoga Sutra chanting course.
The way Rajani ma'am teaches the Yoga Sutras, each and every word, pronunciation of each and every word is explained so carefully. Vyakaran is explained so carefully. It's a new journey where we are going into deeper and deeper into the Yoga Sutras. The way she teaches is just mesmerizing.
This course has helped me a lot to learn and chant in line with Sanskrita Vyakaran.
And thank you very much, Rajani ma'am, for taking us in this splendid journey. Thanks a lot.
An online certification, and it has been an amazing experience. She has a special way of teaching and goes straight to my heart. I believe this is happening because theory is put into practice and practice becomes an experience. I would highly recommend it.
It's a superb experience, and I would really like to thank Kavalyadam for providing us these opportunities that we can learn from the confines of the home.